Yeah, guys, right, welcome back to the channel. So we've got an E02 message on the on this old egg. It's actually in quite good condition, this one. So the E02, when you press in the filter or the heater button, there's nothing. It's totally dead. There's nothing trying to kick into life. There's no impeller trying to move. I can't hear no electrical current going through the filtration pump. So what's that telling me is that the pump is dead, and the filtration pumps need replacing. It may not. I mean, it could be lucky. When once we open it up, it could be a seized impeller. But in my experience, it sounds like the pump is dead, so it needs replacing. Now I'm going to start selling these pumps on the website, so I'll link below to the website. So all we need to do is split the pump in half. So if you look midway down the pump, there's 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we do is we'll undo these screws, and then that will break the pump in half, and then there'll be a cable so there'll be a cable which is connecting your keypad. Just unplug that, and then we can get access to all the gubbins inside. All right, so I'll get these undone now, and then the next stage I'll show you inside. Right, guys, so that's split in half there. So that's the cable for your pin multi-adapter for your keypad. So this one is a 6 cable. Some of these are different from the different models. I think you get a 4, 5 and a 6 cable. That's your keypad there. So looking inside, top unit down, you've got your logic board is in there. There's a waterproof cover there to stop any water going onto your logic PCB, which is a printed circuit board. You've got your heating element here. Some of these are different as well. You get aluminiums, and these are rods, 4 rods inside of a plastic case. It's quite a newer one, this one, a newer model. So water flow sensor. This is a magnetic switch. So when the water is pumped, the water will suck in there into your bottom one. It will go. Your pump is below here, below this heater, which I'll show you in a second. It will pull the water up into the heater, through the heating element, back up to the top here, through here. It will flip this magnetic switch up, and then your water will flow back into your hot tub heated. All right. So if this doesn't sense any water, this is what triggers your E02. All right. So what we do, we'll flip it over. Also, this is your thermal reset switch here. So if you get an E02 error code, this is where you need to activate this thermal reset switch to reset your thermostat. Oh, this is your air blower. It's just essentially this is just a Hoover. Okay, so this is why it makes so much noise. This is what blows the air into your bubbles, out to your bubbles for your jacuzzi bubbles. So underneath is how we get access to your filter pump. So I'm just going to undo these small screws here and to take off this bottom panel. Right, so bottom panel's off. So you've got your earthing cable here. This is for lightning. If you get a lightning strike, then that will just send the lightning straight down to the ground. So if you so here's your filtration pump here. So we need to undo this Jubilee clip there and unplug the power cable for the filter pump from the transformer. Undo this power clip here, this Jubilee clip here, and then we can take this pump out and open it up, get a good look inside, and see what the issue was. Right, guys, so the pump may be okay on this one, in all fairness, because I'm looking at the impeller. The impeller is severely cracked, as you can see. So this is probably why there's no life happening with the impeller. So you can see that. So what I'll do, I'll put one of my run silent impellers on, which you can get from the link below. So we've got the run silent impeller. This is on a steel shaft, much better quality. These are the old style Layz Spa, and they're on a porcelain shaft. These porcelain shafts do wear after a while. There Here, see if this is one. There's one. That's not too bad. Yeah, but obviously this impeller is severely cracked. So what I'll do, I'll put this back into this pump for now with a couple of bolts up, and I won't completely. With the kit you get new seals. So if you've got some silicone grease for your seals, always coat your seals in some bit of silicone grease. I'll not put the seal in. What I'll do, I'll just temporarily put the cover on, plug it in and test it, and to see if it was the impeller. Right, so I plugged it back in with the new impeller. So power it on, and we'll just see if it comes to life. There you go. So it was the impeller. So what I'll do, I'll put the seal in now. I'll open it back up again. I'll just put the new seal back in. The bolts are in good condition, so we can reuse them. If you get this kit from my website, it comes with fresh bolts, just in case, because sometimes these bolts can be quite rusty. But these are in good condition, so we can reuse them. We'll put that back together again. Also check your seals in here, make sure they're nice and flexible and pliable, otherwise these will need replacing as well. We'll get this back together and get it back in. Right, so that's back together. Don't over tighten these bolts. I mean, this is a high pressure pump, so the pressure does get quite high inside of these when your impeller's spinning. That's why you have your seal and your bolts, but don't over tighten these because you can crack this plastic. Alright, check the condition of your plug as well, and we'll get that back in. So there you go, have it guys. So that's now running now. Let's just end up to 40. There you go, 40 degrees. The run silent impeller in there. You can hear a slight bit of vibration because it's on the metal, but yeah, grab yourself a run silent impeller down below. I hope this has helped you. Check out my other videos. Yeah, I'll stick a couple of links up the top there for some ideas for your chemicals and stuff. Give us a like, a subscribe, and drop a comment below, guys, if this has helped you out. Cheers. Bye for now.